Okay. My prediction is about to come true because I knew it had to happen. Apparently, in what would be 9 days from now, that's pretty close. Fuji, according to two reliable sources, I've heard it now from two. Another website reported it from a French photographer, but I've actually gotten it from a major retailer. Actually, the president of a major retailer, that Fuji is going to unveil on June the 15th the X-T2. This is not the X-T2, this is the X-T1. I knew it was going to be released a lot sooner than Photokina and what people had mentioned because, well, I mean, frankly, the camera was just showing up too many places. There were leaks of it online, some people that were beta testers. I assume one guy went to jail. He was trying to sell it on eBay. You know, there was those pictures that were leaked, and there were other pictures that were leaked. And there was just far too much indication that the Fuji X-T2 was in the final stages of beta testing and set for production and announcement. I mean, as far as when it's going to actually be released, good question. I can only predict August or something like that, but that's pure speculation. But from all indications, the Fuji X-T2 is going to be announced here in 9 days. So yeah, that's really good news. And I guarantee you one thing: I'll be one of the first bitches on the block with one. You know, like the Nikon D500. I mean, I was bombing YouTube with videos and information on you know, the D500. So I'll be doing the same thing on the Fuji X-T2. I'll be the first bitch on the block with the Fuji X-T2. Maybe not the first, but one of the first. Anyway, I don't have any interconnections to Fuji. Fuji, you could always send me an X-T2 earlier than anybody else. No, they'll never do that. Love Fuji products, love their lenses to death. They're doing a lot of stuff right that Canon and Nikon are doing wrong, as great as the Nikon D500 is. So anyway, apparently the Fuji X-T2 is, you know, we're basically a hair over a week from its announcement if all things turn out to be true from these sources, and you know, that's great news. I don't know what the price will be. I mean, I'm only assuming it'll be around $1,800 plus or minus $100, $200. I mean, it wouldn't be minus, it would definitely be plus. I can't even imagine it being, you know, less than $1,800. I mean, that's just unfathomable, really. I know it'll have dual SD card slots and backwards engineering the pictures. I know that the main dials will be bigger. I know that it has a threaded shutter release button. I know it has dual SD card slots. I know for a fact that it's between 5 and 6 millimeters thicker, exactly as I predicted a month ago. I know for a fact, too, that the vertical grip is radically different on the Fuji X-T2 and that it takes 2 batteries and it has a boost mode. So there'll be 3 batteries total. So it'll be one heavy camera. You know, it'll be like this, except 6 millimeters thicker and with a vertical grip with 2 batteries being held in there. It's going to be a heavier camera. I know it will have continuous autofocus improvements over even that of the Fuji X Pro 2, but I know it'll have the same sensor as the Fuji X Pro 2 and same processor, to be sure, although I could be wrong on that, as the Fuji X Pro 2, but near certainty. But it should have continuous autofocus speed improvements over the Fuji X Pro 2. So I'm anticipating and hotly and you know, on the edge of my seat anticipating the release of the Fuji X Pro 2. And thanks for watching. So let's find out. Okay, so apparently the release, not the release, but the actual announcement of it is very, very much soon around the corner. Okay, bye.